Hi guys! Today I will be sharing how to make Oreo and peanut butter brownies. For the ingredients, we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, half a cup of smooth peanut butter, half a cup of cocoa powder. I use Dutch process, 170 grams or 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 70 grams of plain flour, 5 packets of mini Oreos. Each packet contains 8 pieces. This is 100 grams of dark baking chocolate, 4 eggs, 200 grams of white sugar, and 90 grams of brown sugar. So to begin, in a saucepan, we're going to combine the butter. The butter is unsalted, and the baking chocolate. We're going to melt this using low heat. So occasionally move this and keep an eye so the chocolate don't burn. So once everything is melted, we're going to take this out of the heat. To the butter and chocolate mixture, we're going to add the sugar, both white and the brown sugar. And then once everything is well combined, set this aside. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to crack in the 4 eggs. Using a fork, we're going to beat this. And then we're going to add the eggs into the sugar chocolate mixture in 2 additions. So this brownie is really easy to make. So once the eggs is absorbed by the butter chocolate mixture, we're going to add the remaining eggs. Continue mixing until everything is well combined. Add the vanilla. At this point, we will sift in the flour, the cocoa powder, and the salt. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to fold in the flour mixture. The secret to a fudgy brownies is not over mixing the batter. So stop mixing once everything is well combined. Now we're going to transfer this into a prepared pan. I'll put the dimension of this pan in the description box. So pour half of the butter into the baking pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure that the parchment paper is overhanging. Spread the butter evenly. To this, we're going to add some Oreos. It doesn't have to be perfect alignment because once we add the next butter, it will just float. And so just randomly add the Oreos. Now we're going to pour in the rest of the brownie batter. Now, as you can see, some of the Oreos float on top, so we're just going to push them down again. Now, it's time to add the peanut butter. Randomly add blobs of peanut butter on top of the brownie. Again, the peanut butter is half a cup. And then using a skewer, just swirl the peanut butter. And to finish this, add the remaining mini Oreos. And then we're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until when you insert a skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. So this is what it looks like after baking. Now it is important to let this cool down completely before slicing. So after about an hour, we're ready to slice the brownies. It's still slightly warm, but I can no longer wait, so I'm slicing it now. So you can cut this however big you want it to be. I didn't do a good job slicing this into equal pieces. As much as possible, use a serrated knife in cutting the brownies. And this is the finished product. This is so good. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. It's so easy to make. And just to show you what it looks like when you cut the brownies in half or in close up. Do give this a try. This is still slightly warm, but as soon as it cools down, it will be fudgy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next week. Bye!